Hey, we got the Benco Traveling Fun Show. We are in Greensburg, Indiana today at our newest dealer, which is Xperience Ag. And with us is Matt and of course Johannes. Matt, tell us about your experiences with OnSite.
It's simple. It's one of the easiest systems to install, to run, to understand. There's not a whole lot of hard stuff to it. It's you put it on and it works.
Fantastic. That's what we say. It's simple to it's simple to purchase. It's simple to understand.
Yep.
It's simple to install,
Yep.
and it just simply works.
And the parts work.
And the parts work. Fantastic.
With other flow monitoring, we have had to change out a lot of our flow meters. I've yet to change out the Benco flow meter.
Fantastic. How many systems? How many on-site systems have you been a part of?
12,
12?
13. Yep.
Fantastic. It's always kind of hard maybe to take the first step, maybe put the first one in, second one in, but after you do a couple of them, it's kind of a no-brainer. That's what we found out. People have been using them, and a lot of people did say, you know what, let me become a dealer as well, and let me help build a business. And you've got a fantastic business that you have going on here, and getting larger and fantastic. And Johannes is great support. So if you ever need any support, just get a hold of us. And if you maybe would like to become a dealer with OnSite, get a hold of us. What else, man? Anything else?
Oh, man. Like I said, it works.
Yeah.
I don't. The only time I call is to order.
Yep.
Is to talk to Monty. They got a custom harness made.
Sure.
Different flow meters for but other than that, I don't. There's nothing to it.
And nothing to it. It just simply works.
It simply works, and the customer, you put it on, they don't have questions because it's how it's laid out is just it's simple.
Absolutely.
It's simple.
Absolutely. So if you're thinking about maybe purchasing an on-site system, if you're in the middle of Indiana, there's nowhere else to go other than Xperience Ag.